I was out and about the other day and I found this Morinaga microwave cake. I thought, hey, that looks interesting and maybe easy to make. So basically you take, it's all in one package, but you must add, can you see this? 1 egg, and then 2 tablespoons of milk, and then you cook it inside your microwave for 3 minutes at 500 watts, okay? 500 watts. So, my first time making this, so it should be easy, right? So let's find out. Cake mix, I guess. Can you read this? Can you see? Cakey mixer. Just get out of the countryside. Mr. Egg. Look at this. On the egg, they put a little sticker on your egg of when it expires or goes bad, I guess, right? So 13/03/17, so March 17th, 2013. Okay. I wonder how hard this. Hey, I don't know. This is plastic, you guys. I don't know. Think it'll work? Step 1, the fork, mix it up. Step 2, 2 tablespoons of milk. Now we take our cake mix. The directions say to mix it for 3 minutes. Mix for 3 minutes. Go. Now we put in the microwave for 3 minutes, 500 watts, and let's see how it works. Okay, the cake is done. Let's pop it out. Flip it over, yeah? Oops. Not bad, yeah? Haha. Let's cut her open. Hey, you know what? It cooked all the way through, yeah? It's still warm, so taste test. it's not bad, yeah. It's not too sweet. It is chocolatey. And for a quick, 5 or 8 minute thing to do, to make a little cake, a couple of friends over or whatever, it's really quick and easy. It's not bad. Once again, that was Morinaga microwave cake.